Do you remember that time when you were young and it was time to go to sleep, but you were afraid of the monster in the closet? Your parents told you that there was nothing there and you just avoided the fact that you could open that door. Attempting to paint this night scene brings me back to those times. And I remember feeling a mixture of feelings between curiosity and pure dread. But exactly how did we get past this fear? Since I started this project, I have actually been dreading to run out of light when I'm done with my 9 to 5 job. Every single day I just try to be done with work as fast as possible, and the first thing I do after work is just go out and paint. But the day has finally come and it was just really stormy outside, and as well it got dark really early. So I had no other choice. I just had to do my first night scene. It's just like when your parents finally kind of get tired of you not accepting that there's no monster in the closet, so they just go straight into your room and go to your closet and bam, open the door. You're thinking, oh no, the monster's out, it's gonna get me, so you quickly just hide under the bed sheets and just hold on for dear life, and then nothing happens. Then that feeling of calm, relief, and kind of getting finally past that fear just washes over you, and you're in complete awe of how foolish you were all this time, and that you could have just tried this and actually see that there was nothing there. Painting this night scene was the exact same experience. Why do I want to say experience? Experience as that experience from childhood. I have stared at a scene that I've been wanting to paint, but since it was at night, I would only think about the fear of painting it. And finally today, the weather just pushed me to do it, just like my parents opened that closet door for me. And I'm kind of glad and relieved that this happened, because now I actually see that nocturnes or night scenes are very enjoyable. It's a very different kind of way of painting with watercolors, because you're actually painting the color of the highlights in advance, which is a much different way of approaching painting, and I find that to be very interesting. Also, this takes the pressure of me having to paint in daylight only. There is so many beautiful night scenes here in Norway, especially because now is winter time, so the daylight is very short, the days are very short, so there's a lot more opportunity to paint night scenes, and I think I should embrace that, and I should just try them more often. And by the way, one thing I want to say is thank you all who have been subscribing, commenting and liking the videos. I really appreciate you, and if you haven't, then consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.